friends, how are you? In this video lecture, I will show you how to configure snmp in H3C switch. So I have a H3C brand new switch and I wanted to monitor it via SolarWind. I have a SolarWind monitoring system also. So I wanted to configure the snmp on H3C switch. And so that I can monitor its interfaces, its log, its in or out traffic easily. So let's get started. So first we need to log in into the switch via admin credentials. I have admin credentials on it. So here I am logging into my H3C switch. System view, its command, first command to enable the permission, and now we will give the command. You need to just copy and paste snmp-agent first command. You need to just copy and paste the command if you are not familiar more with H3C switch, right? The first command is snmp-agent sys and snmp sys-info version 2 and snmp-agent community read bssho101. So I have a string community bssho101. So I am setting on that switch so that he will enable and he will use this community string. And snmp-agent trap enabled standard linkdown. So in this command I will monitor the uplinks of the switches, restart and shutdown state, right? So snmp-agent trap enables standard linkdown, linkup, coldstart, warmstart. So whenever it switch will restart or switches in uplinks will down, the interface switch will trigger the log. So next snmp-agent trap enabled configuration, and no worry about that. I will share the all command with you in the video description. You just need to copy and paste into your H3C switch. No worry about that. So in the next command, target host trap address udp-domain, and 0.143 is my SolarWind IP address. So I have configured the SolarWind IP address on it, and along with the string version 2. Right now I am using the version 2. Lastly, we go to the safe forestry, right? It is equivalent to save the configuration of H3C switch. And lastly, we will display the NMS configuration that we did earlier. So that is our snmp configuration that we did earlier, right? So all done. Now we will go to the our NMS section. So here you go. This is my SolarWind NMS. So I wanted to monitor my recently configured H3C switch. So my IP address, I'm going to share that what is my IP address of that switch, management IP address. So this is 5.76. So I put the IP address in SolarWind add node snmp version 2 and along with the string bssho101, right? So let's test the connectivity. It will test the connectivity between SolarWind and NMS and between H3C switch. So test connectivity successfully done. So in the next part we will We will check the snmp and icmp option, right? So this is the most convenient option right now we have. Click next. So this is the optional part. I am showing you that you can use your own NMS that is exist your organization. I have my SolarWind, so that's why I did the extra part so that you can know in depth, right? You can know everything, every aspect. So it will take some time adding the resources. You can use your Zabbix, you can use your PRTG. It's very simple. So we have already done the command in our H3C switch. So now he's fetch all the interfaces of that particular switch. Click to next. It might be possible that your NMS settings is different, right? So right now I'm using the SolarWind latest version. So in the SolarWind, if you have SolarWind, then the step will be same, and if you don't have SolarWind, then the step will be different, right? So in the last part, we will add over some settings that we configure according to our organization, right? So when you hit add node, it will add the node successfully. Yeah, the node was successfully added. So here in the node section, I have already added many nodes, so forget about that. So recently I have added the 5.76 node, right? So this node is successfully added, and when I click into the node, the detailed page has been opened, right? So you can see that the packet lost, CPU, RAM, in depth. So that way you can easily enable NMS on the H3C switch, and you can monitor the your switch all interfaces, CPU, RAM, monitor in depth, right? Thank you for watching.